on Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make Persian Kabab Koobideh in an air fryer. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with 1 brown onion. So I'm going to do this based on 500 grams of mince. So for example, if you want to do 1 kilo, use 2 onions. Now we're going to need a grater for this, or you can use a food processor if you like. And I've just got a small bowl here with a strainer that I'm going to put on top. This will collect the onion juice. So all we're going to do is just grate our onion. So what we want to do now is get rid of all that excess onion juice, so we're just going to squeeze it out. And as you can see, it's all coming out. Now too much of this onion juice will make the mince not stick together well. So you don't have to get it 100% out, but try and get out as much as you can, because it will help. Just like so. Okay, so guys, don't waste that, we can use that. Alright, so I've just put the onion into a separate bowl, and what we're going to do is make our marinade in this bowl before we add it to the mince. So we're going to start off with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red sumac, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and I'm also going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now you don't have to do this, but it helps tenderize the meat and make it much more softer and nicer. So what we'll do is just give this a mix, get that combined well. Now just in a bowl here I've got 500 grams of lamb mince. Now this is an 80-20 ratio, so it's 80% meat to 20% fat. Now a lot of people will make this with beef, they'll do half lamb, half beef, that's completely up to you. In my restaurant I do 100% lamb, but completely up to you how you want to do it. And all we're going to do is add our onion mixture straight to this. All we need to do now is just mix well. Alright, so it should eventually come together like a nice ball like that. And it should be nice and soft. So all we're going to do now is cover this with some cling wrap. We want to put this into the fridge for a couple of hours. You can't leave this overnight for best results. It's completely up to you. But we'll come back in say 2 hours and we'll start cooking this. Alright, so here comes the fun part. So we'll take that wrap off. So guys, with the onion juice, I have it here. All I've done is added some warm water to it. That'll help us shape this into shapes. And as I said, we are going to air fry this. So I've also got my air fryer basket here as well. And all we're going to do is give it a good generous spraying with oil. Set that aside for now. And bring this back. So guys, you can put this onto bamboo skewers if you want. If you are doing that, just make sure you soak them beforehand. All I'm going to do is shape them into sausage shapes. In the end, it's going to taste the same. So it's up to you how you want to do that. So we'll just grab about half a handful of our mixture like that. And use the warm water to help you. And we just want to shape it into a sausage shape. Just like that. And you want to try and get it a bit flatter, just to make sure it cooks well inside. Just like so. And we'll place this straight into our basket. And we just want to continue doing that with all of our meat, or as much as you want to do, that's up to you. Just like so. Alright guys, so I've done a total of 4 as you can see. I'll keep the rest for later. I'm by myself right now. I'll wait till my staff come, then I'll cook the rest for them. Okay, so that's looking pretty good as you can see. So let's go ahead to our air fryer now. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put that straight in. I'm going to set this for 200 degrees and we want to cook it for about 12 minutes. At about the halfway point, we'll take it out and we'll flip them over. Alright, so we're at the halfway mark now, so let's take it out and have a look. So guys, let's go ahead and flip these over. Alright, so another 6 minutes on this side. Wow, just look at that. Let's go ahead and serve Persian style. And for a final touch, we'll add some melted butter straight on top. And of course we'll finish it up with some fresh mint, radish and onion. Alright, and let's be honest, you can't have Persian kebabs without a grilled tomato and a grilled chili on the side as well. And there we have it. Absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, and that was my take on Persian Kabab Koobideh cooked in an air fryer. You saw how easy it is to make and pretty straightforward. Let's give it a taste and see how it tastes. So good, like, you can't even tell that it's been air fried. It almost tastes like it's been grilled. Might have to change how I cook it in my restaurant. I hope you like that, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.